You want to say hi? Hello, everybody. Good morning.
Hello, baby girl. Come on, boys. Radar. He goes, fuck, I'm scared of him.
Hello.
Hi, Violet. Hi, Mommy. You want some food? Look at this big girl. Who's Mommy big girl? I love you. I love you. Who's Mommy's big girl? Violet is. Come on. Come on, Violet. Come on, boys.
Hi, guy. Come here. Oh, you want the doggy to come too? Yeah. Look, it's Tall Man. It's Tall Man. I can tell you all about the turkeys.
No, Violet needs to be eating pig food, right?
Needs to be eating what?
Fat pig food. Guys, she loves it so much, I can't even stand it. If Violet sees me at all with the pig food now, I can't even have a wheelbarrow. She rammed the wheelbarrow over, spilt all the food on the ground. She's going crazy. I was freaking out trying to get it picked up so she didn't eat it all.
I was gonna say she looks nice and
Chunky, huh?
Yeah.
So Jonah was feeding her, probably keeping her nice and lean and beautiful. And I was like, she looks skinny. So I had him up the food. And now her and Boopy look like they're pregnant. All right, let's go get some
So
food. Oh, is that fun?
You gonna get the alpaca? You gonna get Turner? Yeah. That's the water. You see the pig? You see the pig?
Yeah.
She says hello. She says hello. It's a beautiful morning. Oh. Are you gonna get the turkey or is the turkey gonna get you? Careful, Emil. Aw, yeah, be gentle. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Hi. You're so happy. Are you having fun? Do you want to get some? Should we go get chickens? Oh, you see a chicken there? Okay. Sorry, honey, your food's coming. Yeah, the cows are waiting for Uncle Jonah. For Tall Man. They're waiting for Tall Man. Oh, that guy wants some. Hey. I know you're hungry. Hi. There's Jacob. Jacob's hungry too. Oh, yep, that's poop. That's poopy. Don't touch it. Don't touch. I know it looks fun, but it won't be for me.